Now we are starting the equations of the trigonometry questions, and we have the formula we write here. If the sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 ka whole nl. This is general value. If you here give the single value theta is equal to alpha, then general value is this for sin theta equation. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then we have theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. We have the general solution this. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha and its reverse, and it's also in the case of cosec, this formula is applicable for the general value, and for the sec alpha this value is applicable. But then when the tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then the value theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, because this is positive in the third quadrant, tan alpha and cot alpha. This value is applicable in case of the tan theta or cot theta. But if they are sin, suppose this is square, then we have the theta की value this we have put this. If sin square theta or cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, or tan square theta is equal to cot tan square alpha, we apply this formula for three equations. If the sin alpha, sin theta is equal to sin alpha and cos theta is equal to cos alpha, we apply the value of theta is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. If both are there, sin alpha and tan theta and tan alpha, here also theta की वैल्यू हम ये रखते हैं 2n pi plus general value we give in this way. If both are equation. Similarly, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. For these two, we have the general value 2n pi plus alpha. You remember this. Now there are many formulas. We know when here is the in center we know, and here is the circumcenter is r, and in center is small r. We have the various formula for these. We know the area. Now we know r is equal to 4r sin A, sin B and sin C. We have this formula. The R means area of the triangle upon S. And R also we give the many formulas. We give in the also in the case of 10 A by 2 given. These are the formulas. Similarly, we can have S minus B 10B beta 2. Similarly, and this in this. Now we have the 2R is equal to A beta sin 2A, B beta sin B, and C beta sin C. We have many formulas. You have to remember. In the case of, now what is the area? We know here is formula. Now we come to the another formula for the pedal direction. If in the triangle, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex ABC, and this with this meets a DEF, then this triangle called the pedal triangle. Pedal triangle. We call this pedal triangle. Now, what is the distance between the, if we are do in this way, this is A cos A. Similarly, DE have the B cos, D किसके सामने है? C के सामने, C cos C. Similarly, we have FD is equal to B cos B. We have many formulas, you have to remember. Now, A is equal to, this is pedal triangle, pedal triangle. We have many formulas, we have to remember all formulas. Then we can able to solve the questions related to the trigonometry and the solution of the triangles. A is here, if R is the R cos, this is cos A equal to cos A, and OD is equal to R cos B and cos C. Similarly others. Now we have many formulas. Now we have the, what is the, here you see, now you see this is the DEF pedal, called the pedal triangle. We have many formulas. Now suppose we do, suppose ABC triangle, we extend the AB to and AC to P and Q, then the circle, this called X circle, this is I1. This is I1 is the X center, called this X center. Here is you see, here angle is 90 minus A bata 2. Similarly, we have I2 here and I3 here. Then here will go this and this. Here have I3, here have I2, I3. Now this angle PQR, this PQR say, this is PQR X triangle, XL triangle, and its center is at the in center of the smaller triangle, because here this is the pedal triangle ABC to the PQR. ABC is a pedal level, again pedal triangle of PQR again. Now remember, what is the I1, I2? You should remember this is equal to 4R cos C. Cos C. This is equal to 4. Similarly, other two. This is the X triangle, called the X triangle. Here ABC is the pedal triangle to this X triangle. and this its radius is x, triangle radius is equal to 2r. if इसका r है तो I1 I2 I3 का रेडियस 2r होगा. Now radius of the I1 I2 are 2r. There are many formulas we have to remember. Now we come solve some questions here related to the trigonometrical equations. We have here written. We will discuss more formulas. We contain more formulas. We will should remember. Now I'm not writing here I'm only solving these important questions. Now to the question number 1. What is the general solution of the theta satisfying sin theta is equal to this and cos theta is equal to this? We have the sin theta is equal to sin alpha. We have theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 for this equation. And for this equation we have the general solution theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. But for both we have the formula 2n pi plus alpha we have written, and for the combined we have the general formula is equal to 2n pi plus alpha. We have, because here is पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के लिए अलग है, ये पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव के लिए अलग है, लेकिन कंबाइंड में ये मोस्ट जनरल सॉल्यूशन विल गिव दिस इज मोस्ट जनरल सॉल्यूशन फॉर both. You remember this. The answer is here. What is the most general solution? This will be the general solution. You know. Now remember. Now because we divide, then we have what? We have 10 alpha, then theta is equal to we have 10 plus alpha. We know. But this does not satisfy this. This does not satisfy this. Therefore, we have to apply this most general formula which satisfies both. We have formula this, which satisfies both sin theta and cos theta. But this does not satisfy. Therefore, we cannot have this general formula for these two equations. Now we come to the question number 2. Prove that the equations sin 4 plus cos 4 plus sin 2x plus alpha is solvable for this. We are going to find out the value of the alpha by doing this relation. Now you see here sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta plus sin 2 sin x here is given us x. Here given us x, here 2x plus alpha is equal to 0. Now we say this is solvable when the alpha lies in between 2. And now we see here. Now this can be written sin square theta, x plus cos square x का whole square minus 2 sin x. We have more formula, sin square x and cos square x. We have this formula, then this is we can make the complete square. Now sin 2x plus alpha is equal to 0. Now this is 1. We know. Here we put Again the formula, this is, we can write the sin square 2x from this, multiplying by half, because 4 should be there. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin x, sin 2x. Therefore here is square, therefore is sin square 2x upon half. Now what is this now? This is sin 2x and this is what? Alpha. Now take the LCM, we have two x, here we have sin 2x, here we will have 2 alpha is equal to 0. Now solve this equation. Now change the sign. Now this is 2, this is 2 minus 2, and here is plus sin square 2x. Here what is this? Now here what is it? Now sign will change. Sign will change. We have this. Now minus 2 sin 2x, there is minus 2 alpha and plus 2. We have this. Now the solution of sin 2x will be what? Solution will be this. Minus ka plus 2 plus minus under root, this is 4 minus ka plus 4 2 alpha plus 2. We have this. This is equal to 1 plus under root 1. We have taken 4 common. Now we have 2 alpha plus 2. We have this. Now this is, we take the minus sign here. 3 plus alpha. 3 plus alpha we take here. Now we know sin 2x lies between 1 and minus 1. We know. Then this value is minus 1 less than equal to 1 minus, take the minus 7. If you take the plus, this becomes greater than 1, therefore greater than 1. If you take the plus sign, then this greater than 1, sin 2x is not greater than 1. Sin 2x lies between the minus 1 and 1. We know this. So therefore this value is between the minus 1 and 1. That will give us the solution. If we take 1 minus root 3 plus alpha less than or equal to 1, then we have 3 plus alpha, 2 alpha. Here is 2 alpha. Here is 2 alpha. Sorry, here is 2 alpha. 2 alpha, 3 plus 2 alpha. 3 plus 2 alpha. So this is less than or equal to 0, or 3 plus alpha greater than or equal to 0. Take the minus sign. Now we have this is 2 alpha. Again I am forgetting. This is 2 alpha. Greater than or equal to 0, then what is say? This is greater than minus 3 beta 2. This is greater than, the first solution is there. He say alpha should be between minus 3 beta 2 and alpha 1 by 2. The one solution is there. Because sin 2x always lie between minus 1 and 1. Therefore this value we have taken mind with the minus sign, because plus sign will give more than plus. This is not admissible. Not admissible. Therefore we have this value. So this value lies between minus 1 and 1. You know. Now take the first relation, this, we have this. we have take this. That's why we get the value of the alpha minus 3/2. This is clear. Now we take the second value, minus 1 less than 1 minus 3 plus 2 alpha. We take the now second value. Now here becomes to bring this one to this side, we have this. We have this. I take the minus common, then the 2 will be greater than equal to root 3 plus 2 alpha. This becomes 2 greater than this. Then a square, we get this. Now what gives here? Here gives 1/2 is greater than alpha. This gives you half. greater than alpha, मतलब कि alpha value जो है ये बड़ी है. The value of half is greater than. Therefore, alpha less than half, less than equal to half. Or we have previously we have find out the value greater than minus 3. So therefore, we can say that this is less than alpha less than equal to half. This is the solution. We have proved this. The alpha, if it lies in between these two, then this equation is solvable. This equation in the sin x, sin to x is solvable. Now this is, I'm again repeating. Now this is, you make the square and subtract this. You know this is 1. And you know the sin 2x is equal to sin x, 2 sin x cos x, we know. We have from this value, no difficult, no doubt. Here puts rest terms as such. We have take the LCM, we have this, we have this, we have this. Now you see here. You see a sin 2x is equal to this. Sin 2x is equal to this. And this value is plus value gives the greater than 1, therefore we leave the plus sign, we have only with minus sign. You have this. Now this value we know lies between minus 1 and 1. We know this value lies between minus 1 and 1. Then what? You take the first relation from the right. We have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. We see here alpha is greater than equal to minus 3/2. And now if we take the now here value, this value, left hand side value less, so then we have this. Take this minus to the left hand side, we get minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to less than minus under root 3 plus 2 alpha. Now take the minus common, we will reverse the inequality, though we have reversed. Though we have what? Square this, we have this. Then we have the value of the alpha is half greater than alpha. Value is less than half, less than equal to half. Therefore, alpha lies between minus 3/2 and alpha. So therefore, solution is there for the equation. Therefore, so this is solvable equation, no doubt. Now we come to the question number 3. What is the number of the values of the x in the interval? In the interval this. Now you see here, we have this equation, we have written wrongly here, here will be sin x square. Sin x square x. We have wrongly written. 3 sin square x plus minus sin 7 sin x plus 2. Now we are solving this. Now you see here, we solve this equation, 3 sin square x minus 7 sin x plus 2 equal to 0. We know the factors sin square x minus 6 sin x minus sin x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, 3 sin x common, what we get? Sin x minus here 2. Here will sin x minus 2. Sin x minus 2 one factor, and 3 sin x minus 1 is equal to second factor. So this is not applicable. Sin x never, this is not applicable. We leave this. Now only we have 3 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 1 by 3. The 1 by 3 value sin x ki, this lies in the first quadrant. This is positive value. Therefore, sin inverse x lies between first quadrant. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के अंदर लाई करेगा. दिस वैल्यू लाइज इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. दिस वैल्यू लाइज इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. तो thus we get first solution. Now what is the second solution now? Well, we are given the interval 0, 5 pi. Now you know if the sin x is equal to, if sin alpha, this is take the 1 by 3. Now we give the value of a general equation like this. We give the general equation like this. Suppose this is equal to sin alpha, then we give general equation. Now first equation we have get from the equation second. You here see here, no difficult at all. Now we are finding out the how many values in this interval 0 to 5 pi. Now you see what is the value of the x now. This now put n is equal to 0, we get x is equal to what? We get alpha. The first value we have written here. We have written here also. And now take n is equal to 1. Then what is the value of alpha? You see here. This is pi 1. Take the n is equal to 1. Here minus alpha. So this will be the second value. This will be the pi minus alpha second value. Now we take the n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Put the n is equal to 2. What we get? We get 2n pi, 2 pi, or here plus alpha. This is the third value. This is the third value. You see here? No doubt. Now take the n is equal to 3. Now where n is equal to, put n is equal to 3. Then what we get? X is equal to 3 pi minus alpha. This is the fourth value. This is the fourth value. This is fourth value. Now put n is equal to 4. Put n is equal to 4. Then what we get? We get x is equal to 4 pi plus alpha. This is the fifth value. This is the fifth value. If we now take n is equal to 5, we can take up to the infinity. We take the n is 5, but in this we are testing in this interval 0, 5 pi. 0 and 5 pi in this interval. We take only the up to the 5 pi. Now take n is equal to 5. What we get? We get here 4 5 pi minus alpha, because this will give minus. the 5 pi minus alpha, this is the sixth value. This is the sixth value. This is the sixth value. If we take now n is equal to 6, then it is greater than this, then this is greater than, because here becomes 6 pi plus alpha, this greater does not lie in this interval. Only these will lie 5 pi minus alpha. This is the sixth value of the x. Therefore, there are 6 solutions. There are 6 solutions. Now clear to the students, no difficult, clear to the students. Now I am again repeating. I am again repeating. They take this equation this, and we have factorized this. The sin x here we will get 2, that is not admissible, क्योंकि sin x का मान 1 minus 1 के बीच होता है. The value of the sin x is between minus 1 and 1. This is not admissible. ये allow नहीं है. This is not allowed. Sin x is equal to, here we will get sin x is equal to 1 by 3. This is a positive value. And now we are going to find out how many solutions there are in this interval. Now take the general formula. General formula, you know, general formula for the sin x. This is general formula. Now put the value of n is equal to 0, we get x is equal to alpha. Now this first value we have get when n is equal to 0. When n is equal to 1, we have this pi minus alpha. The value of the x is pi minus alpha. This is second value, second solution. Now we take the n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. We have 2 pi plus alpha. This is the value of the x, third value, third solution. If we take n is equal to 3, we will get this 3 pi minus alpha. Put this in this form, general formula, you will get the value of the x, 3 pi minus alpha. This is the fourth value. This is the fourth value. This is the fourth value. Now we come to the n is equal to 4. N is equal to 4. What we get? Put here. We will get 4 pi plus alpha. So this is the fifth value. This is the fifth value. You know, this is fifth value, and this is fourth value, and this is fifth value. Then we take the n is equal to 4, we get fifth value. Now put n is equal to 5, we get 5 pi minus alpha. This is admissible because this lie in this interval. Therefore, this is the fourth value sixth value. This value is now sixth value. We have in this way the sixth value of this solution of this equation. Now we take the more question about the trigonometry tomorrow. Now we are finishing here.